How to find activity status settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find activity status settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite, and here you will find this your profile here in the bottom corner. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find settings, and here you will find this one, privacy. And now here you will find it, activity status. Just click on it, and here you can manage it, show activity status. Now just you can turn it on or off just by one click, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.